Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Charisma and Collectibles for Resale. So today I'm going to be unboxing a Shop Goodwill, oh no, I'm sorry, not Shop Goodwill, Goodwill Bluebox for jewelry. And this came from Florida. It actually came with a shoebox as well. I was able to order two, and they just kind of put this on top of the shoes. So I'll be doing the shoe unboxing. I actually got a really great box last week. Of course, when I don't record, that's when I get a great box. So hopefully this time I'll also get another great box to share with you guys. So I'm trying to keep these a little short. They've been kind of long. So I noticed the best way is to kind of just dump it, get that initial kind of look, and then go through and kind of do the highs of the best stuff that's in there and kind of separate what's going to be scrap. And I could just kind of pan over that. You guys can see that there's, you know, something someone's interested in. And I will respond to you. Like I said before, if you're interested in something, please just put the timestamp and put it in the comments. And then once I answer you, you can email me at Collectibles for Resale, and you can let me know an offer on it. And if you are interested, I can send you a PayPal invoice and ship that out to you. I can do, you know, anywhere here in the States. It should be, I know they raised the prices, but for most jewelry, it's going to be under 12 ounces or under, which right now is going for about maybe five and a little bit of change, but shouldn't be too much more than that. We could do a calculated or just like a flat shipping. That way it's good for anybody. So with that being said, let's move on and let's get this box open. I think I did say this is from Florida, so. Last box I had wasn't terrible. There were plenty of sellable pieces, and it wasn't terribly dirty either. It was not in a bag. I like it when it kind of comes in a bag. It just seems like better quality, but let's see if this is loose or in a bag. And it's loose. Okay. So, that is just personal, and yep, the receipt for Goodwill. So there we go. We got Shop Goodwill. Put that to the side. And here is the actual. Oh, they've got some stuff in a baggie. That kind of scares me. I wonder if that's the bad stuff or good stuff. Who knows? So, I wonder, it looks like earrings may be paired up, which would be good if they're already in their pairs. I see a couple. So, yeah, maybe that'll be a good thing. So, we'll see. So, this is first glance. Doesn't look like a lot, but it's very heavy. So, there's a few heavy pieces, and this is kind of heavy. So I'm going to go through it to come back really quick and be able to just give you each type of item, bracelets, earrings, kind of split them up. Excuse me. A terrible heartburn. So I'm going to split all this up, necklaces, bracelets, that kind of thing. And we'll come back and kind of go over them. Thank you so much. I'll be back, and I'll be just a second for you. Okay, and I'm back with a cute little stop, just with this little senior doggy right here. He loves to watch me doing my stuff. So he's just adorable. That's my little man. His birthday is in a couple of weeks. He's going to be 10 years old. So this is how we spend our days. I work and he watches. He's my supervisor. So just wanted to share that with you, a little cute palette cleanser interlude. Now I'm going to pause for a second, and then we will finish out on our necklaces. All right, guys, we're back, and I have separated what I'm going to keep for resale and separated into a crafter's lot, the things that really weren't even worth looking into or looking at. So I'm just going to make this quick and dirty. We've got this black cord bracelet that has a little silver flat heart that says Sisters Forever. Got this mixed metal type silver tone filigree puff circles, and then around the gold tone. And this is a Bryten. It's got the B on the heart here, maker's mark. Got this really cool bow, looks like copper tone, and it's a clamper, and the inside says Rachel Lee for Loft, Rachel Lee, something like that. Rachel Lee. Let me take off my glasses. Yeah, Rachel Lee for Loft. I don't know if the camera will pick that up too great, but let's see. That's right in there. Yeah. So it's got that coal maker's mark. I saw these going for about between 15 and 30. So that should hopefully get most of my money back. And then I have a few other pieces. This mixed silver and gold tone. I don't know if that's a cuff or what you call this exactly, but it looks kind of like roping. And then it's got the two balls at the end, this gold tone. Here's the next piece is this. They look like pearls with this nice little silver closure and black ones in between. This is a bangle. I guess to me it looks like a tennis bracelet, but in a bangle form. So it's got these big, large, clear stones. This is it feels like, oops, uh-oh. I'll just take those off. This feels like fabric almost. I can't describe it exactly. And then it's got a metal closure here. It snaps together and then you can clasp that. I've got this multicolored bead floral bracelet. All different beads. Little stitch pearl. And this has these really pretty, they look like purplish maroon. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. In between these gold weaving. And I thought it was stretched, but it doesn't really move too much. So not sure about that. Got this stretch bracelet with pendants, enamel pendants. It's got a Virgencita, cuídame. So it's like a little prayer to watch over. And there's a St. Christopher charm and a cross. So it's like a little religious mixed bracelet, stretch bracelet. That's kind of neat. Just noticed it's missing a stone right here. So that will go into the crafter's lot. The stretch is kind of wearing thin. I mean, it could last, but I wouldn't want to be responsible sending it to somebody and it fall apart. So I'm going to send that to the crafter's lot. Got these bangles that are like a faux animal print, snake skin maybe, or this one also has a little chip in it, so that's going to go to crafter's lot. I kind of like this. It's like a mixed material. It's some kind of like, I don't know if it's leather, but some kind of cording, and then it has like little metal grommets on there, and then the closure are these silver buttons. Inside it says 156B. I don't see, I was trying to see if that's a maker's mark on the buttons. It's very hard to read, but looks like Y something K. And then Fung, F-U-N-G. So I'm not sure if that's Y-I-K-F-U-N-G maybe. I'll have to look up that. I'm not sure if that's any brand, but it's just cool nonetheless. It's like if you like a bracelet, but not really a traditional. So this is kind of cool. I like it. And I've got this gold tone cuff with open areas there. This wooden bangle with red different designs. This I really like. Looks like it's tarnished, so I'm thinking maybe it is some kind of silver, but it doesn't have the marking that I can see. But it also has where some of it has been worn off, so that's a possibility. I'm going to test it for silver, but I just like the look of this, and it's very heavy, feels very substantial and well made, so maybe this will be something. I like it. And this last one is this silver tone, looks like the Egyptian ankh, and then it's got the original tag that says W stones and beads, and it's got some clear beads, some black beads, and it's just a nice sellable piece. So yeah, I think I should do okay with these bracelets, and the rest I have put over to the side. There's going to be stuff in the crafter's lot, so we won't worry about that right now. And so I'm going to take a quick pause, come back. We'll look at the either earrings or necklaces next, and then the last one after that, to try and make this video a little bit shorter. So I'll be right back. We're back. I'm going to do the earrings really quick. There are a couple of pretty substantial statement piece, large, a little crazy. These are interesting. I think that might hurt after a while, but it's very heavy. Got this pair of round, they've got like some kind of purple cording, and then like I don't know if you just call them CZs, cubic zirconias, the rhinestones, I'm not sure the difference, but, and then we've got these really, I like these. This looks like 80s retro, just this design. Reminds me of like MTV in the 90s, 80s. And these little pink coral stones. I really like the color in these. Looks like that, similar to like Aurora Borealis. It's really cool. These like filigree hanging. Looks like a fan, I'm not sure. There's some little cheap roses. I'm probably just gonna throw these into a craft or something, but I just have all the earrings right here. These little hanging seed beads. These are kind of interesting too. They look very 80s rock and roll, kind of hanging with a little triangle with like arrowheads. These large silver tone flowers. We've got just some cheapy miscellaneous black earrings. These are kind of interesting. They have this weird like centerpiece and then hanging. It's like an odd shape around them, but they're kind of cool. And then these look like similar to the other ones, the color, but just a different shape. These are round, the other ones are kind of teardrop. Some fine little hoops. I like these. Have a pink little iridescent heart in the middle of the gold tone. Some blue hoops, similar to the silver, the purple ones with little stones in there. Got these, and just like a purplish tone. With these hanging black metal filigree. These are some different shaped hoops. They're not like round hoops, but long hanging. I've got these little blue beads. This pink clip-on, or not clip-on, I'm sorry. They have like that backing. Yeah, I guess they are. And I love these. These look like mid-century modern kind of design. And then I have these earrings that also came with a matching necklace. So I have two of those. These were all in a little plastic baggie, everything, all the earrings. So it looked like they had them paired up, and then these pieces that had the necklace and matching earrings. So there's this, that one that has purple, and then this is all black, and then it has the matching earrings as well. So most of this is sellable. I did separate things that weren't really worth it, and then this last black pair, little fashion earrings. So that is it on the earrings. I'll take a pause and come back and show just the last few pieces of necklaces. All right, thanks. Okay, so we have necklaces and these three loose pendants that came. They feel like glass. There wasn't there's a glass necklace in there, a pendant, and so these little pendants are pretty neat. I like that. And this one has that little with a link for it. Okay. So this is one I'm most likely going to put in a crafter's lot. It's very heavy and it just looks very rudimentary. Unless this is something, I mean, I haven't Googled it. I guess I need to stop thinking of my taste of, you know, I would never wear that, but maybe somebody would and would like it. So it's not like terrible, but it's just not something that I would think of for resale. This is the necklace that I was saying. It has a glass pendant with this blue flower, and it's got the tag, so it's new. And this is petals, handcrafted art glass. So there's that one. This is on a pink like cord, and it's got this pendant with it's a heart with some, looks like flower detail. So that's pretty. I love this Buddha on, it's very heavy. It's the fat, happy, smiling Buddha. It's got some words here, letters that I'm not sure, I don't speak that language. And it's on a black beaded chain, I guess, or not a chain, but the necklace part, so hanging, and it's just really cute. It's got the flat, smooth underside, and I really like that, so that's definitely going to go up for sale. This has, at first I thought it was maybe their stain, but I think that's just the coloring. That's probably natural coloring, because none of them feel like they have something on them. It's just the coloring. And it has these large blue beads with the, this looks kind of old-fashioned, but I need to check on that. So I didn't see any kind of maker's mark. Let's see, there's a little heart there. No, I don't see anything. So that's a nice looking necklace. And this is just a plain black beaded. This one has looks new. Panama Jack, I believe, and it looks like that style, like the, oh God, it escapes my memory, but everybody had one of these when I was in junior high. I can't remember what they're called, but it'll come to me later once I stop recording. And then I've got this long chain link, and it's got these little red pieces in between, and it looks like this is Laundry by Shelly Siegel. No idea who that is. Maybe I should, but I'll look that up. Should be easy with a name. And then this brown beads with the little seed bead necklace. And this was a J. Crew. I saw that when I was pulling it out. I noticed it had the mark for J. Crew. So that's pretty neat. I think I've gotten just a couple of pieces. People seem to really love their J. Crew stuff. So all the blue stones are really nice. And I don't see any issues with the chain. So this should be good to go. So between that, the Rachel Lee, and a couple, 2 or 3 other pieces, the Bryten should make my money back in a little bit. So this is a really cool crystal in this like rose gold tone. And that, my friends, is everything. Everything else is going into a crafter's lot. So I hope you enjoyed it. And my little senior doggy Louie and I are finishing up, and I'm gonna get him his little snack, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. So I hope that everyone has a lovely day or night whenever you're watching it, and just remember to please be kind to one another, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.